Secret Santa round 2. Certified frustration-free packaging. That was very frustrating. Whoa. What? What is this? Oh my gosh. Electric wine opener with a chiller. What? Oh my god. Holy shit. I think he is buying right off of my wish list on Amazon because I saw this and I was like, I need this. This is so cool. I need to know how it works.
Let's move up. Let's move up.
That is so cool. Okay. Next. What? Holy crap. Oh my god. I've been wanting some like these. And more colors. These are so cool. They're owls. I'm gonna try them on right.